Morning all, back down the boat again. Right, the fitouts dried on the gunnels, but what I'm going to do first today, I'm just going to get some fitout on the guttering on the roof, and then check everywhere else, make sure fitout is on everywhere, and take it from there. My dinner is booked for 12:30. We've got gammon today at the Riverside Cafe here by the River Soar, so I think an hour and a half should enable me to do what I want to do in between having a few cups of tea. Right, on with the show. It looks like it's clouding over. I hope we don't get a storm, rain. I think it's given out for rain about 2 o'clock, but yeah, not looking good if I want to get that primer on. But what I can do is to wipe off the fitout on the gunnels. So all the roof has now been fitouted, and I'm just about ready to wipe the fitout off on the gunnels, which I put on yesterday, but it's gone really cloudy on board, and I'm a bit reluctant to wipe that powder off. Really, I want that powder to go, and then as soon as it's dry, cover that bare metal with zinc primer again. If I leave it and it rains, then I'm gonna have to clean it all again, because there's going to be a certain amount of microscopic rust that is on the surface, so it'll deceive the object. But we'll see how we go. I could get some stuff sorted out in the boat, but to be honest, there's not. I'm just flogging a dead horse there. I might as well wait till I get the lock up. I could show you my the electric sockets and stuff that I've already purchased for the boat. Yeah, I might do that. I'll have a cup of tea. If this cloud moves over, then I'll get back on the outside and we'll take it from there. So it may well be a short one today. Not looking good. Not looking good. Raining. Should have shut the hatch. Yeah, not looking good at all. Those clouds decided to open. I'm going to get absolutely wet through in a moment when I walk down the cafe to get my dinner. I think it'll be a coat job. Never mind. These things are here to try us. That's the one of the disadvantages, I suppose, if you want to work outside and the heavens open. Anyway, not to worry, I'll go and get my dinner, and then hopefully it would have dried up a bit when I get back. I think we'll have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, and then go and get my my gammon steak, which is what I'm having for my Sunday dinner today. Well, I've just got back from the cafe. Lovely dinner, really nice. Homemade Yorkshires and parsnips and everything. Yeah, definitely go there again. Right, it's sort of sunny again now. Well, dry, but I've just looked at the weather forecast and it's pretty, I think it's pretty accurate actually. Well, I'm right by the East Midlands Airport, so I do trust the forecast in this immediate area, and it ain't looking good. So I'll just show you what I've got on the sort of electrical front. You might be interested, just to pan the video out a little bit, and then I think I'm going to make it go home. Oh, let me show you these first of all. That behind was actually a pine table, and this is what I'm going to line my doors with. I think everything on the boat I'm going to try. Obviously the floor was brand new wood, or the sort of lining of the floor. It's going to be something go on the top of that eventually, but I'm trying to get everything on the boat that's made of, or I'm upcycling materials. And this was a tabletop, so these are ready to line these doors here. So they're going to go onto the bow doors or the front doors, and I've got similar for the doors at the on the stern, on the back of the on the back of the boat. Right then, so I've got a few various bits and bobs. So I've got all the cabling I need. This Arctic cable here, I've got enough of that to fit the boat out. I'm also going to have a hookup point. I've got one currently at the stern at the back of the boat, but I'm going to have one at the bow of the boat as well, with a two-way switchover. So if I'm pulled up in a marina, I don't have to have unnecessary cables trailing all the way down if I'm not pointing in the right direction of the hookup point. So that will solve that one. And being as I'm fitting it out from scratch, it's not really a big issue to do that. I don't know why a lot more new builds don't have that as a sort of standard installation. But anyway, right, my electrical stuff. Let's just have a look at what I've got here then. Main thing I wanted to show you are the fittings, which I think look quite smart. So all my mains fittings are going to be sort of chrome, and then the switches, which will be mainly operating the lights, which will be 12 volt again, will be all sort of chrome. And then hidden in the electrical cabinet or behind the units are things such as washing machines, dryers, that sort of thing, will be the standard plastic sort of fittings. And then I'll also have the standard chrome fittings like this, but with the USB sockets on, and they will be in situ throughout the boat. Well, sort of a productive day, but not maybe as productive as I would have liked. Got a few jobs done, helped a fellow boater out with something. We like to help each other out, you know, down here. He needed a lift with something, so I was down there for about an hour. Didn't want to be filmed. You would have found, I think you might have found that interesting. I did, but maybe more about that on another day. I hope you can hear me, because the rain really is teeming it down now. Right, I'm off home in a minute. Please do remember, if you haven't already, do subscribe to the channel and click the bell icon below, and then you'll be reminded when I upload a new video. And if you can give it a like as well, that really will help my channel to grow. Okay, so I shall see you in a few days' time, hopefully, weather and cloud storms allowing.